Welcome to WIDMA, a brand that is shaping the future of machine tool industry in India by building engineering marvels every day. True to its tagline of machineering tomorrow and pillars of we pioneer, we team, we build. Team WIDMA is always ready to take up challenging projects and assignments for our customers in the space of material removal operations. As they say, seeing is believing. Let's take a walk in our factory where you will see many such engineering marvels being built today. So we start the factory walk with stiving and roller burnishing machine. The machine that you see here is meant for cylindrical and hydraulic components up to 3 meters long and up to 300 dia, while WIDMA has capabilities to build machines up to 12 meters long in this stiving and roller burnishing space. So here we have a universal 5-axis machine. This is a unique combination of vertical turning, VMC, HMC, and also triple offset machining for pump and valve industry. This machine can accommodate a 1250 pallet size. We have machines which can go up to 1600 pallet size. So here we have horizontal BTA machine. It's a 2-spindle machine, primarily for shock absorbers and tube components, used for finishing operations. Here we have an HMC machine of 800 by 1000 pallet size, used for various applications and across industries, right from general engineering to automotive to large machining. So what we saw there was a horizontal BTA machine. What we see here is a vertical BTA machine, again twin spindle for shock absorber components. This is primarily meant for shorter components in the vertical operation. If the shock absorber components are longer, then we use the horizontal BTA. So here you see another 5-axis universal machine, an engineering marvel in its truest sense, because this machine has the capabilities of doing not just vertical turning operations along with VMC operations, HMC operations, but also this machine can do gear hobbing and skiving operations. So here you see the gear hobbing operations done on this machine. So now what you see here is a horizontal duplex boring machine, pallet size of 4 meter by 1 meter and x-axis strokes of 6.5 meter. This is again used for general engineering components, more so in the construction industry. So what you see here is a vertical turning machine, 1600 pallet size. While these machines are used for many general purpose applications, what we are building here is for railway wheel turning operations. So what we have here is a facing and centering machine for long shafts. This one is being built for railway wheel axles of up to 3 meters, while WIDMA has capabilities to build even large machines which we have supplied in the past. I am sure the short journey of a factory was insightful and interesting, where we could showcase many of the engineering marvels that we are building for our customers. We will be happy to hear from you on what you think about our solutions and how we can partner with you.